Welcome to this tutorial on how to multiply fractions, specifically 1/31st by 1/51st. Let's break it down into simple steps to make it easy to understand. First, let's look at our fractions. We have 1/31st, where 1 is the numerator, the top number of the fraction, and 31 is the denominator, the bottom number. This fraction represents one part out of 31 equal parts. Now, let's consider the second fraction, 1/51st. Here, 1 is the numerator, and 51 is the denominator. This fraction signifies one part out of 51 equal parts. To multiply these fractions, we simply multiply their numerators together and then their denominators together. Multiplying the numerators, 1 times 1 gives us 1. For the denominators, 31 times 51 gives us 1581. Therefore, 1/31st multiplied by 1/51st equals 1/1581st. That's our final answer. It's as simple as that. Remember, 1/1581st is already in its simplest form. You've now learned how to multiply two fractions together. If this tutorial was helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more math tutorials. Thanks for watching.